In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of migrating MBOX files to Office 365 using the BitRecover MBOX Converter Wizard. To install our MBOX to Office 365 migration tool, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. To begin, click the Next button. This tool provides users with Select File or Select Folder options. Users can choose either one of the available options. After selecting the folder, click the Select Folder option below. Ignore Gmail label option if enabled will exclude Gmail labels during the migration process. Click Next. Check on checkbox to select individual files or an entire folder that you want to convert. Click Next. Select a saving option allows you to save the file in your desired format for migration. Let's select Office 365 option for this tutorial. Change language option to map source and destination folders when mailbox folder languages differ. Select I am admin to migrate multiple mailboxes using a global administrator account. Enter the Microsoft 365 email address. Copy to default folders when enabled will migrate emails into standard folders such as inbox, sent, etc. Go to filter options to take a look at the advanced filter options of our tool. These filter options should be applied before starting the conversion, so you can export only the required data based on date range, from, to, subject, exclude folders, and other criteria. Now go back to the saving options. Next, simply click the Convert button, and the conversion process will begin. Once the migration is completed, you'll receive a notification indicating that you have successfully migrated MBOX files to Office 365. Click OK and open the Office 365 user mailboxes to check the migrated emails. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.